In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Xero support for assistance with any issues you might encounter while using their services. Navigating online support can sometimes be challenging, but with these steps, you'll be reaching the right help in no time. So, let's get started. The very first thing you'll need to do is head over to the Xero website. Simply open your browser and type in xero.com, which will take you directly to their homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to log in to your account using your credentials. Make sure you have your login details handy. You'll need them to access the dashboard. Once you're logged in and on your dashboard, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll find a small icon shaped like a question mark. This icon is your gateway to Xero's support resources, so go ahead and click on it. Clicking the question mark will bring up a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select Contact Xero Support. This option is specifically tailored to help you get in touch with the support team, who are well equipped to assist with your concerns. Next, you'll see a search field where you can type a brief description of your issue. This step is crucial because Xero's support system uses the information you provide to suggest relevant help articles. By reviewing these articles, you might find a quick and easy solution to your problem. If you do find what you're looking for in the articles, great! But if not, don't worry, there's a way to move forward. If the articles don't quite solve your issue, look for the I Still Need Help button. Clicking this button will guide you to the next step, which is submitting a support ticket. This is key to getting direct assistance from Xero's team. Now, you'll see a form that you'll need to fill out. It's important to provide as much detail as possible about the issue you're experiencing. The more specific you can be, the better the support team can understand your situation and provide the most effective assistance. Describe what's going wrong, any error messages you're seeing, and any troubleshooting steps you've already tried. After you've filled out the form, simply submit it. A representative from Xero will review your ticket and get back to you via email, so keep an eye on your inbox for their response. They'll guide you through the next steps and help resolve your issue. By following these straightforward steps, you'll be able to easily get the support you need from Xero. Remember, the clearer you are in your description, the faster and more effectively the support team can assist you. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.